What's the meaning of but? But. But.
But. But. But is a slang term that refers to the buttocks or rear end of a human or animal. The term has been used in colloquial language for several decades and is often considered to be informal, vulgar, or even offensive in certain contexts. Depending on the culture and context, but can have different connotations, ranging from humor to insult. In general, using the term but is not typically considered appropriate in formal settings or professional environments, and it is important to be mindful of the audience when using this word.